Hello friends, welcome back to my video tutorial. This is Lipsa. So my today's video is the continuity of my previous video where I have shown you how you can submit a form by using JQuery+AJAX. So in my today's video I am going to show you how you can create a list of record from the database and show it to your page by using JQuery+AJAX. Okay, so let's get started for this. So see here, this is the project I have created in my previous video, that's springboot.AJAX. So I have shown you how you can submit a form by using the JQuery+AJAX and save your data in your database. So in today's video, I have created an endpoint. You can see here, users. Okay, /users. This endpoint will give me a list of users stored in my database. So for this, I have created a method in my user service. Just copy that service to check what is inside this method. So see here, this get all users method will give me the users record for my database. So here I am using the JQuery repository. So in this JQuery repository, there is JQuery defined method find all. So user repository.finder will give me the list of user records. So this method will returns me the user list. So in my database, if you see, here you can see I have 3 user lists. Okay, one is Ipsa Petra, then Robert Browning, Julia. I want to show this record in a table in the view. So let's see how we can do this in JQuery+AJAX. So this is the endpoint URL /users. Okay, so to call this /users method, I need a AJAX call. Here you can see I have entered this method as response body as I need to call this endpoint inside the AJAX method. So here in the user.js, I have created a function fetchUser. Okay, see here, this is the fetchUser. In this fetchUser, I have done a AJAX call. Right. So inside this AJAX, obviously it's a get method. So here the method type is get and the URL I need to call this backend URL /users. So I have given here /users. Okay, so I don't need to give any data to the controller to fetch this all users records. Okay, so I am not giving any data parameter over here. Then in the success I get some response. Then I just console log this response. Okay, so what is these things I will tell you later. Let's just run this application and check what is printed in this console. Okay, so just run this application. So see here, my application started at 3.0. Just go to your browser and click localhost 3.0. Okay, so see, previously we have this add user form only, but now I have added a user table here, user list table over here. If you go to my index.jsp page, then you can see here, I have added a table here. Okay, inside this table, I have just the table header only. See here, serial number, name, email, address, and action. So I need to all the user list data from my database and append this data to this table body. As you see, there is nothing inside my table body, only header is present. Okay, so when this function will execute, this fetchUser, I have not mentioned anywhere. Likewise, in the previous tutorial I have said, when the submit button is clicked, then this saveUser function will be executed. Okay, but I need to call this method fetchUser to show all the data from the database. Okay, so when this page will load, I want to show all the user list. Then this page will load. So for this, I need to call this method inside this document.ready function. Okay, so what is the document.ready function then? When your page will load, then it will automatically call this function. Just call this function inside this fetchUser. Okay, so now when the page will load, then you automatically this function will be called, and what is the things inside this function will be executed. So just refresh this page, check what happens. See here, all the record is populated in this table. Serial number I have given the ID, then your name. These all are the record from the database. So if you check your console, as we have console log the response in our console, you can see here, record is printed over here in the JSON format. Okay, and here dynamically add this data to this table. Okay, so let me make you understand this points here. So here from the backend, in this URL/users, we got all the user list. Okay, so for here, this user/users endpoint URL return as the user list. So in the AJAX success, we got this response. Okay, after this, what happens? We just loop this response. See here, response.forIs. This is the syntax. Response.forIs. We just loop this response. Okay. Here we just loop this one, given the item here, this is a variable we have given here. Then I have declared a variable here, you can see variable table data. So I just append all the TDA value in this table data. Then I put two buttons here, edit and delete. My subsequent video I will tell you what is the function of the edit and delete. Edit is I have used edit one to edit the row, or delete to delete this user record. Okay, so I'll tell you later this one. So inside my fast TD, what I have given? Item.id. Item.id means what? This one. See your console. Item.id means 1 is printed. So in serial number, here serial number 1 is printed. Then you see what is there in the TD? Item.name. So item.name, your name is printed. Just mark this one, this response. B, you have the ID. In the name key, you have this name, and the email key, you have this email, and in the address key, you have the address. So likewise, I fetch it from the response and append it in my TD. Item.id, item.name, item.email, item.address. Okay. So up to this, I have printed, and this one edit delete, I just had put this two button over here inside this TD as TD. Okay, then I close this tier, what is open over here, and close this tier. Then this value, this table data value, I append it to my tbody. Okay, so earlier my tbody is empty. So after getting the response, I just iterate this response and store it in a variable table data and append this table data to my table body. User table, see here my user tables means what? This table ID I have given user table. See this one. This is the table ID is user table. Okay. So this is the things how we define this page. As I want to show this fetch user list when the page is loaded, so I have called this method document fetch user inside the document.ready function. Okay, so don't worry about the code. I will give my GitHub link at the end of my last video of this tutorial. Okay, so hope you understand this one. Please set list of records from your database and store it in the form by using JQuery+AJAX. So in my next video tutorial, I'll show you this functionality in the delete one. So hope you enjoy this video. Bye. Thank you.